If you want to know what a typical Croatian lunch looks like, well, look no further. Snezana is here to show us one of her delicious dishes. What have you got in store?
I got confit squid with potatoes and vegetables. Classic Sunday lunch.
Do you know, I have been to Croatia this one time when I was younger. Party seemed fantastic.
At that time.
At the time, way back in my day. But the food was sensational. The seafood.
It's simple,
Yes.
but perfect.
And we picked up the most beautiful fresh squid this morning from the fishmonger.
It looks amazing. I honestly love cooking squid. I feel like a lot of people are intimidated cooking squid, but cooking it this way with vegetables and potatoes, it's really bulletproof.
Yeah,
Trust me.
there is two ways to do it. You either flash fry it and take it out straight away and eat it, or slow cook it and it turns into like butter. Beautiful.
Okay. Smoking hot oil.
Yep.
A lot of salt on a squid.
And you just cut it into big chunks.
Yes, if you have a small squid, I probably would keep it whole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Depends what you can
Depends
do.
on you. This was a little bit bigger. So, in for a sizzle.
And the smell, I love squid just
Straight
frying.
away. Beautiful. Can you cut some onions for me in like maybe quarters or thirds? If you can also cut the potatoes as well.
Yes.
And I'm going to go in with some garlic.
And you're going to be crushing garlic.
Crushing
How would you
garlic.
like your spuds cut?
Maybe in quarters or like a nice potato wedge.
Big wedges.
Yes.
Yep.
Crush some garlic. So squid doesn't need long. We don't want to kind of overcook it straight away.
Yeah.
We just want that nice colour to it. I'm going to go in with my garlic straight away.
Okay.
So it catches that beautiful flavour. This is that perfect one pot dish, you know?
Yeah, I love
all goes
this.
in, minimal washing.
Yeah, and it's got the potatoes and the carrots in it. Yeah.
And you can just relax and enjoy your Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, absolutely. I find Croatian food, there's not loads of spices. It's very produce driven.
Very
so
much.
really fresh ingredients that are really looked after throughout the cooking process.
It's literally minimal spices. Salt and pepper is all we do. But there's always garlic, there's always onion, there's always that extra flavour you get from there. And good quality olive oil.
Yeah.
So that's the key.
Absolutely.
That already looks phenomenal. So I'm going in with the rest of my vegetables. I'm just using carrots today. Some baby carrots will be fine. Lots of potatoes.
Is that enough?
That's going to be enough.
Happy with that?
Another pinch of salt.
Okay.
And I'll add a little bit more olive oil just because it's kind of confit style. And that sauce at the bottom after cooking is going to be highlight of this dish. So now I'm going to go in with white wine. You can completely skip this if you don't want to use wine in your cooking. Lemon juice is fine as well.
Okay.
But this is just going to bring it all together.
Oh, smells so
Smell it now. Okay, I'm just going to put some black pepper.
And then this gets cooked in the oven, doesn't it?
So 45 minutes in the oven with the lid on.
Yep.
And then we'll cover it. We add some more vegetables. I'm going to add some capsicum today.
Yep.
That's it. Cook for another 10-15 minutes and ready to enjoy.
It's too easy. I wish you could smell this right now.
I know.
Oh, it smells fantastic. Really lovely caramelisation. And leaving everything chunky, I think that's what makes this such a special dish.
And it's so easy. I'm squeezing some fresh lemon juice. I feel like any fish, any seafood needs that acidity.
And some parsley.
And parsley, absolutely. That's a Mediterranean diet. Parsley and lemon and olive oil and happy days.
Oh, I think the next dinner party I'm going to have, this is going to be on the menu because everything in there, most people will eat the squid, the potatoes, and all that delicious sauce down the bottom, the oil.
And this is like the best Sunday dinner you can imagine.
So good. One for you.
One for me. And, oh, I should get some squid.
I know, right? Well, we don't even need a knife.
For me, potato is the best.
Look at that. See how soft it is? Squid. It's literally the texture of butter because it's been cooking for so long.
You can't go wrong. It's wholesome. It's actually really inviting. And when it hits the table, I feel like the aroma and everything is... And it's so simple, I think, to prepare. I love one-pot dishes.
Absolutely. If I close my eyes, I'm completely transported to Croatia by the seaside, eating this, lemon, glass of wine.
Glass of wine.
So good.
I agree.